Okay, so what's one thing a lot of people struggle with, whether they're an athlete or not athletic at all? Balance. And no, I don't mean finding your work-life balance or anything like that. I mean finding your actual physical balance. My name is Ashleigh Copeland. I'm a figure skating instructor and have been a figure skater basically my whole life. So let's walk through a few balance exercises that'll help you find your physical balance. Okay, so first off, you're gonna wanna find a flat surface to stand on, whether you're inside or outside. If you're outside, make sure you're not on a hill. This exercise will be really hard if you're on an incline or your feet are uneven. So first, once you find your flat surface, you're gonna stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're gonna keep your arms out to the side. This is really important, especially for those of you who are gonna be working on your posture, to roll your shoulders back. You wanna make sure you're not hunched over in this position, in this exercise. So roll your shoulders back, keep your arms out to the side, feet shoulder width apart. Okay, so once we go through this exercise, you're gonna find this middle ground as I step on the stick. Okay, so you're gonna find this as your resting position. So anytime you get tired or you feel like you need to get back to balance, remember you want your feet shoulder width apart and your arms out to the side. Okay, so the first exercise we're gonna do seems pretty simple and it's gonna be relatively easy to do. You don't need a lot of space to do it. You're simply gonna find a 1 foot glide position. So if you're not a figure skater, a 1 foot glide is literally exactly what it sounds like. You're gonna glide on 1 foot with your arms out to the side. Your foot should be just about mid-calf here. And again, your arms are gonna stay to the side. Make sure you roll your shoulders back. You're gonna hold this position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then you're going to switch and do your other foot. So I did my right foot, I'm gonna do my left foot now. Same position, foot is about mid-calf, arms out to the side, shoulders rolled back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, if that felt simple for you, awesome. If it didn't, here's a few tips that'll help you get through it, and you're gonna try another set of 10 on your right side and your left side. So as you're here in your resting position, notice how your core feels. Now, you don't have to have abs to be able to feel your core. That's a misconception a lot of people have. When you're in your resting position, you can gently squeeze. I like to imagine you're gonna squeeze your belly button back towards your spine. So you're trying to really suck in your stomach, but you're not just sucking in your stomach, you're engaging your muscles in your core. That's where all your balance comes from. So if you're a figure skater, your balance for your spins, landing your jumps, and even rotating on your jumps all comes from your core. So if you don't have a strong core where you can hold this position in a 1 foot glide stance and pull in your belly button to your spine, you're gonna have trouble balancing on a 1 foot spin, a sit spin, and then of course more advanced spins as well in combinations. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're not a figure skater, but you just wanna master this 1 foot glide position, you should still be engaging your same muscles. From your belly button, pull your belly button in towards your spine and hold again. So I'm gonna start with my left. Again, shoulders are rolled back, arms are to the side, my foot's about mid-calf height, and I'm gonna hold for 10 seconds. And same thing on the right. Mid-calf, shoulders back, arms out to the side. This time I'm going to squeeze, pulling my belly button back towards my spine, hold for 10 seconds. Now, if that tip helped you, awesome. If you still need a little help, here's one more tip. Okay, so your third tip for finding your balance in this 1 foot glide position on your left foot and your right foot is to find a focal point. So you're gonna stare off into the distance, whether if you're outside, you're gonna stare at a tree that's far away, maybe you're staring at a person that's far away, or if you're inside, maybe you just stare at a spot on your wall or a picture that you have hanging on your wall. But you're gonna stare at that spot. That's gonna be your focal point, and that's gonna help you really be able to hold your balance a lot better. So using all 3 tips, we're gonna try again really quick. And for the sake of this video, so you're not here all day, I'm not gonna actually hold my 1 foot glide for 10 seconds on each side, but as you do these sets, you're gonna hold for 10 seconds. So again, we wanna start with our resting position. Our feet are shoulder width apart, our arms are out to the side. We're gonna make sure we find our focal point straight ahead. Then you're going to engage your core, so you're gonna suck your belly button all the way back to your spine, really hold that position, and bring your right foot up to mid-calf position. You're gonna hold this right here for 10 seconds. Then you're gonna switch to your left foot, that same thing. Roll your shoulders back, make sure your arms are out to the side, belly button's back towards your spine, eyes are straight ahead, find your focal point, and hold for 10 seconds.